Hello everyone! Today we're making quince jam, and how it works, it's very simple and very quick. You'll see how it works now. Have the quinces, remove the core, then cut them into small pieces. Cut into nice small pieces, then boil them into a compote with a little water. When it's done, blend and then let it cool in a bowl. Then egg yolk and cream and sugar and cinnamon and into a bowl, quickly beat until frothy, then beat the other until it is frothy as well. Quince marmalade. Add quince, stir, quickly fold in egg, distribute in a mold, then smooth the edges, bake, and done.
So, did you see? Very quick cake.
You actually only need 600 grams of quinces, 2.5 deciliters of cream, 70 grams of sugar, 2 egg yolks, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with cold water, then a knife tip of cinnamon teaspoon.
Or you can use more if you like cinnamon.
I then beat 2 egg whites until stiff, and if you like, you can add raisins spread on the bottom and use rolled out puff pastry or homemade. If you want, write it in the comments, then next time we'll make a puff pastry ourselves. Write it in the comments, it will be done. And now we come to the taste test. I've already cut one.
That's how it looks. A soft. But very fine, not too sweet. You can also taste the fruit, the quinces, very fine.